So this is the simplest game probably. It's called hockey. Well, at least an imitation of hockey that we use the magnetic rings for. And you need just 3 rings for this. You make a goalpost out of 2 rings, and you try to pass one ring through without snapping it to the other ones. And as you can see, I failed there. You can make it wider or smaller to make it easier or harder. This game is called the track, and you can do it if you have a group of friends that bought the rings, and you just pool all your ring packs together, and you have to send one ring through a column of all the others and avoid snapping all the magnetic rings to each other. And you can make this, again, easier or harder depending on the length of the track and the width of the track. We call this one Billiards. The goal of the game is to snap the other rings together while leaving your initial ring free. So if your ring snaps to the other rings, you lose your turn.